Hello everyone. So yesterday I had SQL tutorial, but I didn't teach you guys how to install MySQL for Mac. So I'm going to teach you how to install it. So it's very complicated if you don't do it right, but if you follow this step, it's very straightforward. So what you got to do is head over to this. I'll paste the link right here, and it's MySQL community server 8.3.0, whatever is yours. Mine is this. I already downloaded it, which is right here, and let's go here and then click it. Since I already downloaded it, it's been here. So yeah, just allow it and then continue, agree, continue, install. Just set up a password or something. Just it will then download all the packages and everything right here. Use legacy password encryption, and this will be used later, so please just click on it. I mean, set up a good password. Okay, then finish. Then it will ask for yours password. Then it's ready. Close to Google, just MySQL Workbench download, and then click on this, and this is the version, DMG ARM. So this one is it. This one's the version, and then you download it. No, just download this. Now what you got to do is click on this, drag there. It will start to install. Then cross it out, launch, open, and it will ask for the password, which was set up by you previously, which is my own password, and I'll save this in keychain so that I don't forget. It will continue anyway. And here you go. This is the easiest, fastest tutorial you'll ever find on YouTube. So please give it a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll teach you SQL even if you don't know nothing. So thank you everyone. Bye.